Siyakwamukela ngaphakathi kwehlelo ngakwethu. Sithokoza ukubuya sibe nawe i-episode yesibili namhlanje sikuphathele yona khamba nobaba Lawrence wakwaGabela. Kanti-ke we also want to thank you guys, our viewers across the borders. Thank you so much. We appreciate for sharing and following our channel. This is the platform where we talk about anything and everything that relates to our households. That is why our channel is called Ngagwethu. Ngagwethu, it means our home. Today, Bab Gabela siphethe indaba ekulu. Before we can start, we would like also to appreciate uLifewise, who is forever with us and supporting us and making sure that we send and teach you about the opportunities that you can grab to make an extra income for yourself. See, as with the South Africa, unemployment is so high. Send your email to iarecruitment@staylifewise.co.za. The email is on the screen. And apply and become an agent and give this information to your family, friends, and community and colleagues. Wherever you go, have something that you are selling. So today, Bab Gabela, sikhuluma ngendaba yomndeni. Is it family still valuable in this day and age? You know, we see eminye imindeni iyakwazi ukubambana makunenkinga, makunesifo, makunogulako. But eminye imindeni azisizibuza ukuthi kanti umndeni wakhe uphi? Baphi bakubo? Simangala ukuthi kanti lo muntu akanaba kubo kwenzakaleni. What is a family? Mhlambe we can start there. What is a family? When we say someone's got family, omunye umfana womlungu ebesebenza naye kenye indawo bamcela esontweni ukuthi akathandaze what ek bad net for my fro and my kenners. Amen.
Yeah.
Wathi uthandazela umfazi wakhe nabantwana bakhe kuphela. Amen. So family yakhe leyo.
Yeah, hey, sibingelele. Life is good. Sikhona ngaphakathi. Hey, it's very tough lento esenzela isitshaba David. Ukuma public speaking, it's not a child's play. Some people by abuser. Basiphatha kabuhlungu, but
Yes.
sijabulela laba abathi basithokozela. Those that say, wow, kanti why ningasakhulumi? Meaning that we are planting a positive seed in many
Yes.
families. Family, as you are asking, yini umndeni?
Yes.
Ngizothi mina ngeyami definition na uzoyenze yakho. Ifamily igazi. Ifamily ubumbano.
Okay.
Ifamily belonging.
Wow.
That's a family. A family is, I'm not talking about marriage. Because if family abantu abazwanabe ngomndeni ngesibongo noma ngendlela abakhuliswe ndawonye. Family ayinayo i-step mother, ayinayo i-step father. Ifamily ayinayo uthi ubaba ka Sipho ubaba wami. Ine order ifamily ine respect. Ifamily ine purpose driven. Family is not a choice. It's a lifetime commitment. Family biblically ikhona iBhayibheli lonke kukhulunywa ngama families. uJoshua 15 verse 24 bengishaya abafundisi mayibiza lo. Uthi uma kukube emehlweni enu umkhonza uJehova, khethani kuthi nokhonza bani. Uthi kodwa mina nabindlu yami siyakumkhonza uJehova.
Yeah.
Ukhuluma nge-constitution. uJesu Christ mayezalwa kuthiwa ifamily. Family. And abantu abaningi namhlanje basahlupheka banakho konke abathi banakho. Unemoto kodwa ufuna ifamily. Athi baba wami ngimazi.
Yeah.
Lento akaphelelanga ukuthi unakho. So ifamily akusukuthi wena how you define it wena. Ifamily ayinabandlululo, ifamily ayina registration fee. Ifamily ayingothi unama assets awunawo.
Awuyivoteli family.
Awuyivoteli family, and ifamily is exactly is unconditional. Ayithi ubunemali eningi wena uwe ongcono awunamali wena. Ifamily inhlangano ehloniphekile. And psychologically it booster nane lokho kuthiwa ama supporting. Mawu down. Mangathi ngelinga masikhuluma nawe komunye umhajo. Ngathi uyazi ungahlala kwenze everything. Mase kuthiwa kunama organs donation. Leya kidney leya eyofuneka kuwe bayifuna kwi-family.
Hey, ya khambelana.
Cabanga ke wena uhambe nabantu aba wrong. Udelela ifamily ngobona uthi unakho kwakho. Bethi matching kidney ngaba right. Ekabhuti wakho lo ungamthandi.
Yo. Enemele yena abe willing ukunikela nge
yebo
sitho sakhe.
I don't want ukuthi ifamily ke is a institution. Ikhampani family. YakwaGabela, yakwaMthombothi. Angikhiphanga ama shares nje busho la ukuthi ngibawa kwaGabela. Nami ngafa ngobaba ngaboGabela nomkhulu. So ifamily inama patterns ke are right.
Yes.
Inemgomo, inama principles, inama guideline, inama policies. Ukuthi if you want to grow, you need grow right, you need to observe these protocols. It in abuse. These protocols has to be like this. Even if you've got umathandana wakho, uthi umuhle une height ubuya phesheya olunye uhlobo singena thina lapha. Mayeza lakithi fana understand family structure. Because if awilandeli family values and structures and how things are done like high, kuzoba ihlakaniphiki. Uzoba nengane ezama popcorn. And then upbringing yomntwana ukuthi abe right. Family is important ukuthi idlale irole. Umuntu ukuthi aphase esikolweni ifamily idlala irole. Ubhutu ashonile ozala lengane, ingane inheritwa ifamily, hayi imarriage. Because if singakwazi ukuba ne stronger families, if family build a better society and a better nation. Opposite to that, kuba lento ibona khona manje. Because if family is expected to izokuregulate correct, ungahlekwa ngaphandle. Kuthi kwaMthombothi lento asiyenzi. So if family i-university yempilo. Awuthola leli gama madoda.
Wahluleka kufunda lapho uhlulekile.
I-university yempilo.
Noma uthwala amajazi but nongakafundiswa ekhaya. Umthetho.
That's why about the charity begins at home. If family why disrespecta umhlaba uzokushaya. Promise you. What disrespect family lo muntu omshadayo nokushadile ngeke akurespect ngoba ukubona ukuthi awunayo family.
Hayi lenzima.
Uthi ngitshelana ngoba nakini nina you are disoriented, you are malfunctioning, you are not structured.
Awusuka madoda.
Masathina sibheka ukuthi kuzoba sokungena ingane idlule igijime so. Ngene komunye umuzi late last year. Ngizowusho ke indawo le Senten. Ya. Kune protocol yonke mawungena egate-ini kune protocol. Mawungena endlini akuna protocol. Protocol press gate ubani verify thumb zoom easy bodyguard kubeke lapha. Sithe sathi sihleli sithi sibheke TV yafika ingane yathi hey ngicela nishifteni ufuna ukudlala igame.
Hayibo.
Yakhuluma nathi. Sibona siney'ntshebe. Bathi yena ngasho ingane ngokuthi yadelela. It's a normal culture yefamily lapha ukuthi no ama-visitors athi niyarasa ngibheke efeni ngicela nishifteni niye ngapha. Sasukuma. And lapha akekho umuntu ade under 25 lapha. Sasukuma sangoba izwi lengane langena athi tsi. Sasaba ukubheka ubaba wakhe. Manje ufuna ukumbheka ngalezi lehlo le-scaling leli ukuthi usizwe kahle.
Hey.
Did you hear it right correctly?
Hey.
The child said, hey, I'm ordering you out. So, if family laba buya khona yayingakwenzi lento. This is what happened when you distort or disregard or disrespect or ungahloniphi i-family rules and regulations. Ucreate into engahambela. Yazi ngathi kuthiwa i-umbilical cord this thing. Akusiye yakho lento le. Have you ever thought of that? Kunomuntu akakunika lento le.
Hayi.
Yeah, it's a chain. Yeah, that's identify khona.
Wow. I thought it was a fingerprint.
No. Even your hand.
Even my hand.
It's a stronghold. Ila ubuya khona.
Okay.
That's why noma ungafunda kwenye i-chapter siyokhuluma ngayo ukuthi uma uhlangana nomuntu wrong owuganga uthi uyazitshontsha nahlangana ngalento kuphelile ukuloyile sicela somlandela athi ungafuna umlandela ne-behavior iyachinja khona.
Yes.
So ifamily akusinto oyithandayo ukuthi ngifuna ukuyidraw ngichange. Makuthiwa sihlangana ngo-9 fanele ube ne-respect ufike ngo-9 u-apologize uma ufike late.
Yes.
And ngifuna ukuchaza ukuthi ifamily is not your job. Ijob ikwazi ikwaze manje waziwe ifamily before ijob. Lesikhathi usangena isikole ungana Vaseline ifamily was there. Ikusiza ngeVaseline. Lesikhathi uboshiwe ifamily will be the one that will come to you, not your job.
Hayibo.
Family when you are down usesibhedlela kuthiwa family only.
Hayi.
Intensive care mayikhala lento tip. Yilo gogo lathi ungasamshiyeli isingu lo mama umdelela ngoba uthi wena sewazi isitshaba ngaphandle. Yebafowethu bosisi. Ukhuluma English so because there was a family that supported you.
Yeah, that made sure you access
the world.
Yeah.
Abona irrespect mayaphela kwifamily baba. Noma ngathi ngithi ngenzani noma ungenzani. By the time uzongena kwi-marriage we copy because of kube ne-family ofundekiyo ukuthi how to relate as a husband and a wife. Ubona sinenkinga ama-divorce nje kunje. Hey, indlebe zethu zithi asikwazi nokuya ekhaya siyoseka ekhaya. Bazomtshelani laba bafundile banamali laba fakube nomuntu obekiwe enisa kuyi-order naye abe ne-order. Because mayengana order kuzoba orderless.
Wow. Kulindaba efamily angikwazi ukuthi wena uyithatha kanjani. Babugabela namhlanje ngifunda into ekulu ukuthi kuhle la emndenini asiyi ngokuthi ubani ophethe iziqu. Awubi ilunga le-family because of your qualifications. Nalo ngafundanga uimportant.
Nonganamali uimportant. Nodakiwe sidakwa. Family asinaso isidakwa thina. Isidakwa sikithi sisodwa. Ngaphandle wabiza ubhuti wami isidakwa. Hey ngizokusebenza nzima.
Kuyalwiwa.
Abukho ubuchaphi family bungaphakathi.
Manje babugabela to face the truth ngale mpilo yanamhlanje kubonakala ifamily phatleke phakathi. Ingasafani nale family uyiqeda ukuyichaza manje. Konakele phi?
enye nento esiyenza masingananhlonipho kiyo angeke ime. Respect is everything kwi-relationship. Respect and be humble, uzithoba. Emotional intelligence, ukubamba ukwata, ku-important efamily. Ukwazi ukuthi imove oyithathayo, every move wrong esiyithathayo limaza ifamily 7 times. Because it's a pride, it's a sense of belonging. Mase bethi u-LG or Bongani or Sipho udlwengulile, urepile, ontshontshile, sebemveza kwimidi, ifamily yonke bashathatha.
Oh,
Ushaya le pride ye-family
yeah,
with your own selfish reasons ukuthi
yeah,
you want things to go according to yourself and you forget that there is no person who can just alone abe everything.
yes,
You need the advice efamily mawuzolobola.
yes,
So umthandile umuntu wakho sowazi ukuthi unemali, awuthi ngoba unemali ukuthi abomalume abanamali bazokutshelana. Emfowethu. Mase sekushaya lapha ezakwasikhosana ezakwasibanyoni.
hey,
Awukwazi ukushisa impepho wena kodwa unemali. Uyiyeke impepho ukuthi ayisebenzi uzokubona ngale mfana kithi uma ngale ingane zakho mawuzala kwesisikhathi zewonyawupe boy oripa boy ziba yilokhu uthi uyafihla nasesontweni ingane yakho. Abanye benze ezinye izinto ingane yakhe bayishadise ngendlela erong bethi uzothi uye lokunika isisi ngoba usawuthi uzohlazeka umfundisi ukuthi hayi ya uzohlazeka ukuthi ingane yakhe ibe nengane. Ifamily is a pride. Ebukhosini that's why kwangavunyelwanga ukuthi intombazana noma ingathandana nomunye umfana ngaphandle mara mawuthi kubo bayahlaka they are poor. If inkosi ayifuni ukushada nomuntu wangaphandle ophuwa ngoba uzoletha impilo wrong la. Kwi-Indian community ama-Hindu and all beze begcina beshadana relatedly so because ba-protector ifamily.
the legacy.
Mawunga i-legacy ye-family is important. Waletha wena izidlamlilo umuntu ongamazi njani uma ngale phuze egate bethi ukoti ubhuti wakhona uphuze egate utshwala ubaba akaza ambone phambi utshwala so egate. So kuyasharagana ke masingakwazi ukurespect ama-values ne-legacy family. And you become just a person but nothing. You are nothing but just a person. Mawushonile ushonile akukho la silimala khona. Because you are not contributing meaningfully kwi-family.
Kabela kuba na this confusion yokuthi ifamily manje icontrolwa yi-constitution yipi yasesontweni or i-constitution yendabuko yomndeni. Which one is actually leading this family? Because ama-family amaningi namhlanje simakholwa umthetho wasesontweni yiwo omanje olawula imndeni yethu. Mina njengomthombothi nemvelaphi yakwamthombothi hayi sekuba yinto yayizolo le.
Uyazi David mangizokutshela ngesonto lokuthiwa i-church akusiyi-family, it's a society belonging.
Oh, I'm a member there.
Yeah, it's not your family. So
Now I need to understand ukuthi if I'm a member there at any given time my membership can be cancelled.
and lapha ibongo is different lapha. Nihlanganiswe is something kodwa hayi ukuthi brand by family. So you can't uthatha umthetho wesonto uzofaka la ekhaya. Singenaphi lapho thina? No. Uthathe umthetho wasesontweni ufaka la ekhaya singenaphi thina? Sazawula singasili isonto lakho lelo. Kufanele ukuthi uthatha ijob yakho uzoyifaka la ekhaya ukuthi izositshela ukuthi a code of conduct ithini, disciplinary hearing ithini. Sinethu thina own disciplinary hearing. Azihambelani. Bazongikwatela azihambelani.
So manje ngoba imndeni ayisahlangani ngenxa yokuthi kuthiwe ubhuti usonta le, mina ngasonta le, mina ngathola intshumayelo entsha, mina ngashintsha. Akusiyo lento egcina yenza imndeni ingasaboni ngelihlo linye, akusiyo lento eyenza imndeni ingasavakashelani babugabela. Ayisiyo lento egcina yenza imndeni ibonane ngathi hayi ngoba umfowethu akasonto uyaphuza, ayikho into angangitshela yona.
Into ebuhlungu mina ngizokutshela umthetho ikhona ku Matthews lento. Angazi ngathi chapter 23 some sort. Ithi abafundisi bazonika lokhu okushiwo iBhayibheli hayi lokhu abakwenzayo. Let me repeat.
Uthini babugabela?
Bazothi ngiyadlala labantu. Si-free laba futhi nani ningahleka ngifuna ukuhleka hayi. Lithi iBhayibheli ningakwenzi lokho abakwenzayo, nenze lokho abakushoyo.
Oh yes.
Because thina sisho into yeBhayibheli but asenzi into yeBhayibheli. So how can then uzongitshela ukuthi ekhaya kimi ngiphile so? Fanele ngitshele iBhayibheli hayi wuwe. Ngoba ngikhuluma nami nje ingane yakho nayo ayiye esontweni.
Oh yes, now I get you. I get it now.
Thina we easy to talk because lo baba usasho not practice what you preach. So ngifuna ukuthi ngayiluzi le ndaba ukuthi imthelela noma interference yama religions iyayibulala i-core being ye family.
Yes.
Because if mina ngisonta apostolo ngisonta
Bazalwane.
Kerk omunye sonta manje ayibona ukuthi angeke sizwane. Mawungena ngegate thatha indaba yefamily ye religion yesonto lakho ibeke eceleni uyithathe as iBible guidance ukuthi it's a gathering whereby psychologically uba right mawuye lapho. Mina yami indlela yami uba right kwami ukuthi ngiyocala idabi yaseSoweto. Wena isonto likuvumela ukuthi eSoweto uyobheka idabi. Yazibona zinjani? Omunye uthi mina yami ukuthi sine society namhlanje siyaholisana sizophuza. So we can't judge our external relationship. I'm not talking about a husband and a wife ekwi marriage.
Yes, I get you.
Ngikhuluma nge-family broader because my sister family thina yesikhowa ukuthi is a family. That is a marriage family yakho vele. Yeah, very familiar. Kodwa to the larger extent, where do you belong, the two of you? You don't belong to the two of you today.
You come from
So,
a bigger family.
yeah, ubani wakulobola ngazamisela amalobolo kini. So we can't say because of species confuse i-relationship yothando nokwakha umndeni. Vele iqala between marriage. That is why manje nenkinga kungena abomamezana kwabezala. But you can't say abasiyi family. Ngikhuluma i-family at a broader picture. Ukuthi we respect so that bazokusiza. Even mawuhamba wrong but no umntwana abantu lo zoba so. The same umntwana abantu mengabathanda abantu bakini kuyi-problem ngoba but let me not deviate kwi-point yokuthi
Yeah.
just because mina ngisesontweni isonto afanele ingene ekhaya.
Unless sisonta sonke lapho.
Noma singasonto sonke.
Okay.
Masifika nje endlini asibeke uJohane eceleni bafowethu no Deuteronomy.
Yeah.
Sikhulume ngomadla uphuthu ugabela.
Yes.
Because ngazi yena. But i-behavior yethu, i-conduct sithola omunye ithola eUnisa, omunye ithola lapha, omunye ithola esontweni, omunye ithola. That is good, we are sharing that. But we cannot take i-religion yangaphandle siyiforced ekhaya. That's a problem. Because people are diverse.
Yeah, manje iproblem ke ngoba babugabela abanye babafowethu bazothi bona banama calling. And calling yomunye yobungoma. Uyabhula.
Yebo.
Omunye uyaprofita.
Yebo.
Omunye wenzana, omunye wenzana.
Yebo.
Omunye mfundisi. But simndeni. Right. then uthola ukuthi lama calling lawa manje sekayachulana manje then umndeni awusahlangani. Then ibuyela to your point emnando ibekile othi asingathathi le inkolelo zethu sizenze kube yizo ipolicy yasekhaya. Kufanele sibe nepolicy yasekhaya esigavena sonke ngokufanayo ngokulinganayo.
Yabona ngiyake ngibuyisele kulaba abakhoma nge-husband and a-wife. Kune problem lapha. Umfazi maye sakuthanda ungakamloboli. Oyindoda nisathandana ingakakuloboli ngoba ngifuna ukubalansa. Indoda makuthi kunesonto engena kilo ungacabanga uzofika uyichangeise mawungena wena endodeni. Ngoba ukhulisele la sonto utafunda uthando utakuthanda manje nofuna ukuletha isonto lakini la ekhaya ayisebenzi leyo. Igcineni abantu sebehlukene ngoba ama values ayaclash.
Wow, true.
Yalabahleli good luck siyabonga. Kodwa the day bethi mina angeke ngiye Siyoni mina. Thina ekhaya singama Wesel. So buzofunani lekhaya? Because ku avoid ukuthi leli yasonto lela lingafiki kugcina sekwama 7 colors efemini. Kuneso omunye uphuma left omunye uphuma right. Abanye bafuka abanye bafuna noma ngabe isangoma umfowini uyisangoma for indumba yakhe. Maye ne calling yokushumayela ya lapha esontweni lakhe kuyibandla lakhe labantu abayi500. It's okay kodwa hayi la. Azositshela usindisiwe thina.
La uba mfowethu.
La umfowethu wena. Umandla wena igama lakho. Awusumfundisi. Awusubishop.
Ngindodana mla.
Hey umfana la ekhaya wena. Kuthi lapha ukuthi bakulethela imali ngama tray in bakufayela red carpet kulapha. I-society yakho leyo.
Emsebenzini ngingu-CEO.
Yo. Utrainelwe ukwenza lokho kodwa uphili la ulali lapha. Awuzalwa la abantu.
Makuhlatshwa ikomo ekhaya fanele ngibambe umlenze ngihlabe la.
Hey umfana. Uthi ukhome yaso makhoma ngesindebele yaso ayibula ke manga uhlale lapha nawe njengekuta uhlale uthi uzithobe. Akuna title lapha kwifamily ngazosijwayela nini.
Manje lezi zinto lezi zisilahlekele njani ke babugabela ngoba khona nje imndeni eminingi ayisakhambelani ngoba ngenxa yalama titles nama religions nama beliefs.
Draw the line baba
and everything.
Draw the line. Draw the line. Lela gate lapha alibhalwanga lela gate ukuthi in the company ngibuye ki Lifewise. Lifewise iphela ngani?
Ngapha kwaGabela.
La ithi senimgabela kwa Home Affairs iGabela.
Yes.
So don't mix the two. We manager lama ufika endlini, we husband.
Yes.
Ungubaba. Ungathatha ingane zakho uzenza ama employees.
Ufuna ukuzifaka around.
Usinika ama final warning nama hlala phansi ubaba manje.
So now because sithome siveza the importance ye family and namhlanje le lifa legugu leli lomndeni lenkaba le ebesikhomba sithi i-signage yakhona bethi stamp ukuthi ungibani ukuyapi. Ikhamba ingasaba ngiyo babugabela. Sekhamba siyalwa. Kunamasiko la emndenini aphethwako abanye abasawenzi. Laba abangasawenzi abasakhambela abawenzako. Abawenzako abakhambela abangasawenzi. Sidlula njani lapho LG?
Komunye umuzi akusisidodi basonta esontweni lemix kunabelungu abaningi khona nani ngizwe kahle safika usiko lwabelungu laba nolweBhayibheli isidumbu abasifaka ekamereni Isidumbu asize ejardini. Thina kithi isidumbu fanele sijike ejardini. So
Zohloboka.
yebo. Ugogo makuthulela uMandla uSipho ubani. Ufuna ukuthi avule ibhokisi but nali ibhokisi indlela akenza ngakhona iclosure yena.
Yes.
Ukuthi ngilibonile nali ibhokisi. Isonto lakhe lithi cha, ibhokisi ngena kanjani ekamereni ngoba lizongcolisa. Angisho vele iBhayibheli lithi vele umzimba masushonile uba defiled ungcolile. Abeyizike abanye abafuna ukuyongcwaba ngoba bazongcola. Maye leli sonto lakho uzokubeka kuphi? Lizokungcwaba. Le nkomo izohlatshwa isonto lakho. Leli thende lifakwe isonto lakho.
Hayibo. Hayi bafethu
Mina ngifuna ukushaya into ngifuna ukukutshela ngento
I
live.
can comment la.
Yeah.
I can comment la. Hayi khona le ndaba inzima le.
Wathi lo mfana wasukuma lo mfana lo. Akuseharankuwa anyway. Wasukuma lo mfana. Wathi hayi ngizamile ukulibekezela leli sonto lo uyisho ngesitswana. Wathi kilikile go le tlhompha baruti ka ira everything. Mara ke bona le nya go mfoka rondo no sorry.
Wayibeka ngesipitori.
Wathi ngiyangijwayela manje. Insurance yalomuntu ekabani? Le moshari le anithi umuntu ushonile ubeke ubani ubeke yini emoshari lo muntu? Kahle kwase kubuza mina. Sengibajikela bo. But no, you can't dictate terms la.
You can't.
Sithi sathi siyangcwaba thina isonto lifuna ukuthatha over. Kufana lamasonto la ngengwasho bazolwa nami abaningi bakiwa bawazi.
Yes.
Kuthi sesihambile ngeprogram.
Yes.
Bese kuthiwa sisitope kuhambe yesonto ke manje. Ithathe from 9 to 11. Kusonto lapha manje kwenziwe yonke into lapha. Ifamily manje igcina Friday khuluma or Saturday. Oba inike lothu kuqalwe phansi isonto lapha. Kuguqwe kwenziwe yonke lento yenziwe Sunday. But mabe phuma labantu besonto laba baphakelwa ubani? Baphakelwa umndeni. So ngitsheleke wena ukuthi ngirong mangithi akufanelanga isonto li-interfere nemgomo nama-constitution and policies of the family.
Wow. This is very interesting. I would like to hear your comments. What's your take? What do you think? And yini ephule imndeni eminingi namhlanje amasonto wethu izinkolelo zethu umndeni ucakathekile ugcine nini ukuba nomndeni akho nihlale thabe kube mnandi ngaphandle kokuthi omunye athi yena ukholelwa into enje akayenzi into enje akasayenzi. Alright, Bob Gabela, I mean, we get new information as we grow njengabantu siyachenja abanye baye esikolweni. They become learned friends, learned family members. They adapt to different lifestyle and cultures. Mhlaba sewaba into encane, abanye they go overseas, come back with a different lifestyle. As man, mhlaba so we village. Then where's the space of a family there? And before I forget, abantu abadala abogogo nabomkhulu okungibo mhlambe esingathi ngibo bebasatshala ama-values kile ntshale ekhona abasekho.
Yeah. Look, i-external forces ne-future state or impilo esiphila namhlanje yayiphila, it's given yeke ifana impilo. Kunama-interference amaningi selokungena i-social media.
Yes.
Khona manje ngeni artificial intelligence and all that.
Yeah.
But all these things azithi fanele ulahle ifamily. Ayikho ne-one uthi ngoba sewune cellphone sefanele ngakhuluma nomndeni. Lezi zinto azisincede zisisize uku-advance impilo but hayi ukuregressa. Ingqondo so far njengamanje angangaboni ukuthi bathi your brain is no longer important because kunama-robot.
That's true.
So kunezinto ezikho ukuthi angeke zishift. Ukuhlala phesheya, it's a diversity, it's good, uyafunda. but fanele wazi ukuthi awuzothatha usiko lwase-China uzolifaka la Siyabuso alifit. Ithathe as an advantage usiluleke but ungasichange ukuthi siba ama-China. Uhlala eChina wakhuluma isiChina ukudla kwama-China nokwethu akuhambi. Ngenze example.
Yes.
So kufanele sizi-respect izinto esiyizo kho. Yes, mawufika e-United States wena ngeke uthole umroho, ngeke uthole, but remember ukuthi ubuyaphi and keep the core foundation of being a family. It's not financially family. It's not an external constitution family. It's not a religion family. A family is a family. Inobrich bayo. Let me give you a very, very easy example. Uma ngasakwazi ukubhadala iflat esentini sebekurepossess. Thina lapha eSiyabuso kangala sesenendawo singakunika sithi nayo indawo yami. Sana thatha nayo indawo.
Sike stand.
Wakhe malo sike. Phile futhi.
Wow.
Family mfowethu. When things are tough,
Ubuyele ekhaya.
uyakwazi ukubounce back uthathe energy.
Yeah, no, today we are really touching such a very important subject. And we are not taking sides, but we are just highlighting the importance of a family. And we also want to hear from you, what's your take? Ucabanga ukuthi wena mhlawumbe umndeni namhlanje kule mpilo esiphila kiyo iyini? Babugabela just ngabomu nje, I believe ukuthi wile generation ebenabo umzala envakasha bebaningi kwagogo. I had the privilege nami yokuthi ngibe naleyo mpilo leyo. You know, ngesikhathi sama holidays we will go kwagogo, especially ekhethu omkhulu kwaBhuda. Hey, we will spend time kuzoba mnandi. But today asayisa abantwana bethu kwagogo, asayisa abantwana bethu bahlangane bazane nama cousins wabo, babonane, bafundane, bazane. Yini mhlambe eshintshile? Or ukuthi ugogo akasekho, or ukuthi asathembani kwagogo, or mina nabafowethu ama-siblings asizwani and angifuni nabantwana bami bazwane nabantwana babo. What's wrong? Why we are cutting such a nice engagement of understanding ukuthi what is family?
I think la siluza khona i-commitment level nothando. Family is a family. Mase siyathandana akusho ukuthi ngeke sibe namaphutha. We'll have mistakes. But it doesn't mean that because you did not address me well during that gathering, or my daughter or my son, therefore I'm not coming back. How come emsebenzini where you work bakutshela way to get off but you go back because kune commitment?
Yes, ne-benefit
Exactly.
salary.
And unless association onayo kiyo inama terms and conditions. Mawunganamali ke ngaphandle akukho la ungaya khona. Efamily noma unganamali siyazi ukuthi awubalance kahle. But masithengile ukudla sidla sonke.
Yes.
So it's an unfortunate thing ngoba yenza ukuthi the current situation esikiyo manje kungabi nakukhuzeka ngoba if family uma weak, society izoba weaker.
True.
And then the community, the world will be at the weakest position. But if ekhaya siyakwazi ukuthi siyaya lapha, hayi mina lapha solala phansi, yes, because it's not your bedroom ekhaya, ufika ulale phansi ku ground floor. And that itself in some sort of adaptability, nokufunda resilience, it's a combination ukuthi laba baphumelele kanjani. It's not about the agenda. What is an agenda masihlangane? No, there's no agenda.
Yes.
We are going back. Why Bible lithi ngesikhathi kaJesu Kristu ezozala abantu baya kubo bayobala wena ubalwa kuphi wena?
Oh yes. Yes, I remember that.
So yeah, you need to have that time dedicated to isihlangana ndawonye. And by the way, lezi zinto ezinjengalezi yizo izinto zokuthi ngeCovid sibone usikhathi kwasazivaleliwe ngeCovid-19 kwakunzima ukuthi uma ungabona ifamily buze i-depression engathi ba high. It's a sense of belonging. Mawuya lapha na debriefer.
Yes.
Ni keep stress. Khona lokhu uthi omunye uphuzile wenzani waraswa, it's okay. Then you go back again. It's just once in a year. One month or 2 days.
Wow. As we wrap up, that's why I love our partners who LifeWise. Let me remind you, our email is ia recruitment@staylifewise.co.za. La ungafaka khona isibawo somsebenzi, ukwazi ukuba i-agent, uthengise, sikunikele i-training yethu, ukwazi ukuthi uzenzele extra income mntwana ekhaya, kulezi nkhathi ezibudisi kangaka. So, ifamily, babugabela sesisonga, ngiyo ekwamukelako na ufikako kileli phasi leli.
Yebo.
Ngiyo ifamily ekuphekelelako na uflathela leli phasi leli.
Yebo.
Okwenzeka in between ngikho esingakwazi.
Yebo.
Why it's so much important ukuthi sik-understand lokho, because once you come on planet Earth, you will be welcomed by a family, and then once you leave, you'll be buried by a family.
Alpha and Omega, the beginning and the end. It's a family. Konke lokho kwenza in between is an activity.
Okay.
Yeah, uba busy kwakho lokho. Kodwa thina sizokumukela ngapha.
Yes.
Sikumukele ngapha.
Yes.
Sicela nje sihloniphe ukuthi mfethu noma yazi mawufika uyigotana unemali. Kunento ebengayiboni. Ungcwatshwa labantu kuthiwa iphiri.
Yes.
Abasebenzi ngomningi kwakho kodwa bakumukela.
Yes.
Ngothando.
Yeah.
Bakuphusha uyongena emgodini bakuvale.
Yeah.
Bakuvale ngothando. So hlonipha ifamily. Ikumukele, yakukhulisa, yakufundisa ukugqoka, yakufundisa igama lakho ukuthi ngubani, wawutshela abantu. It's a basic education ifamily. I-university family. So it's a combination of pre-primary and after tertiary.
Wow. Bakwethu sithokozile, sizokulandela ama-comments wenu, bekodwa ungasabi ukusubscribe nakuthi it's your first time on our channel, and also activate your notification bell so that when we upload our next episode, you'll be the first to be notified ukuthi a new episode has been uploaded ngakwethu. Babugabela sisonke ngamezwe okugcina.
Asiqhubeni sisakheni sifamily so that we can have a better society, so that i-crime rate lengaka ingaba novalo. Yonke lezi zinto ezirong lezi ziqale zamosheka when family stop to intervene. Let's go back to basic.
Yeah, what I'm taking mina is cakathekile ukuthi ke sikhambe siyofuna ukuthi kuhle imndeni yethu ibobani yenzani. Mhlamba ama-policies nama-constitutions esiwasebenzisayo kwimndenini yethu nemizini yethu ngiwenza ukuthi kungabi mnandi. Angiyazi ekhenu ithini, kodwa nami mina ekhaya ngiyayazi, nawe thola yakho. Sithokozile ukusibukela nokubeka indlebe.
Sure,
See
share
you
with
next
us.
time. Bye-bye.